Hey, welcome back. It's Tyler and my good man Justin.
Sir?
Fisher Auto, Boulder, Colorado. All right, so today's segment, we're going to talk about the
steering lock.
Steering lock. So sometimes you've walked into your vehicle or gotten into your vehicle, hopefully you sit in your vehicle, and you try to turn your key. This is on key startup models, not the push button like we have a lot of today. So we're talking about the key startup model. And all of a sudden your key is jammed and it won't turn. So Justin's going to give you a couple of tips and tricks on what you can do at that point, hopefully, to overcome that situation. And also talk about the shift interlock on the Hondas
Correct.
and Acuras back in the day too. So take it away.
All right, so if you get in, turn your key and it doesn't turn at all, you want to feel your steering wheel. If your steering wheel's locked, it's not going to turn that key. Real simple to do. All you do is put the key in, jiggle that steering wheel back and forth, lock to lock while you're trying to turn the key. It will release. Once that releases, you'll feel the steering wheel not be locked anymore. You just turn and start your car. Also, interlock. You run into a situation where the car is dead, needs to have jump started, but you can't get a jump start in there or something like that. What you're going to want to do is right next to your shift column, there's a little rectangular button that you can go in there, pry out with your key, push your key down in there, and then you can shift it from park to neutral so you can push it back a little bit. Always keep it in neutral or park. Don't put it in reverse or drive. The car won't start if it's in reverse, drive, D4, D3, 2, 1, whatever. Neutral or park. Once you get it back moved, shift it back into park, put that rectangular tab back in there, you're good to go. So.
Yeah, so that's a good point. Because sometimes when you can't get a jump start and you need to move the car for a tow truck, let's say, or out of your garage, let's say that's a good point. So that shift interlock button cap, plastic cap, is near the shifter. Pop that off, like you said, stick your key in there and you can release that shifter.
Right, that's the two interlock systems. People get them confused with each other. One's steering lock, one's interlock.
There you go. All right. Excellent job. We'll see you on the next segment. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.